All right, we're here at the Dollywood DreamMore Resort. We're staying here for 2 nights. We actually did stay last night, but we weren't really prepared. We just got here at like midnight basically. So I wanted to show you around. I'll bring you through the lobby. We'll show you our room, the pools, the restaurant, the little kind of side station coffee shop, and we'll just show you around. Let's go inside. All right, you got your check-in desk. We got some nice lounging action over here. We'll go down there later. Little lounging sections over here. Well, we got some music. We got some chairs if you want to relax, take your mask off maybe for a little bit. But here's the pool. We'll go down and check it out. This place is really gorgeous. I mean, you can see how many floors they've got. The white building. It's very country. Gotta have a wraparound porch. All right, let's go back in and check out the rest. Authentic Swarovski crystal guitar. We're gonna go downstairs and check out the restaurant. There's like a little bar. So this is Song and Hearth. We had breakfast there yesterday and it was amazing, a lot of food. Some more decorations, a lot of Dolly Parton themed stuff, obviously, Dollywood. Now there's an indoor pool and an outdoor pool, but I'll take you to the outdoor one first just because I think the indoor one might be closed. They got towels. It's a really nice pool. We went here yesterday after the parks and it was crowded, but it was good. They have a service to the benches. You just put one of the little flags up. There's a jacuzzi back there too. So now we're gonna look at the indoor pool. We could just take a look through the window, I think. This is cool. This little visual that they have going. Game room, fitness center. All of which I think are kind of blocked off right now just because of all the touching. Or not. I think it might be open. Oh no, it's not time yet. Yet. 9:26. S'mores reservations, very important. Every night. It rains. I don't want to go all the way in because it's pretty busy. We have the food here. Food. We even have pizza here, so this is a little gift shop, very cute. Some clothes and jewelry. Now, our room's right here. Ta-da! Okay. Let's see the bathroom. Bathroom's pretty self-explanatory. You got a nice bathroom area. It's one sink, one shower. You got your little stowaway. Put your shoes in there. Hangers. Classic hotel items. above. We already used the blankets because it was freezing in here. We got little Dollywood gifts. Lightning rod. Rest in peace. Still broken. So yeah, we got a nice setup. We got your fridge here. It's the basic stuff. You got your like save. I mean, it's the whole decoration of this place. The bed is so comfortable. You even have bunk beds here for if you have kids coming with you for a whole family. And then you got your beautiful view of the parking lot. But overall, the room is gorgeous. The hotel is gorgeous. You can take your masks off in your own room. The whole theming of this place is just very country, very Tennessee, but almost boutique style. It's very done up. It's very Dolly. I just love all the decorations. It's not too girly or anything. It's just really well themed, really well done, clean. Like you saw, the employees are super funny, super nice, very Disney almost. I mean, everyone's getting along and very well organized how they do everything with the events and the pool and the lobby, concierge. So we'll definitely be coming back. We're not going to be staying off the property just because everything flows so nicely. So we're going to be coming back. Thanks for joining us on our hotel tour, Theme Park Blitz. We'll be going back to the park today. Hopefully Lightning Rod is open. See you guys.